So Shweta is, and I'm studying in 10th standard.
Lovely, Shweta.
So my question is that, man, when we face a crowd or people, if our oppressor is not a good listener, we will lose our confidence, right? So we will withdraw back from what we are doing. So on that situation, what we can do, man?
So again, Shweta, it comes back to what everyone's been asking, that ultimately, suppose you have something powerful to tell. Okay, right now behind you, approximately how many students are there? Give me an approximate number. Approximately
40 to 50.
40 to 50. Do you think all of them are as interested as, maybe the first two, three rows? Maybe not. But you have something to say, you have something to learn. Now, you can only focus on your focus, right? You can't focus on other people's focus. So, there's this beautiful concept that Mahatria introduced me to. He said, there is a circle of influence and there's a circle of concern. Okay? Circle of influence is where you can do something about it. Circle of concern is that you cannot do something about it. Shweta wants to get better marks. Can Shweta do something about it? Yes. So that is your circle of influence. Shweta is very worried about the war that is happening in Ukraine. Can Shweta do something about it?
No.
That is your circle of concern. The more and more you work on your circle of influence, you will start realizing that it goes on expanding. The more and more you think of other people, why that boy did that to me, why that teacher said that to me, why life is like this. It's not, why is it so hot? Right now in Bombay, it's supposed to be winter, it's very hot. Now I go on looking, it's so hot, it's so hot. Can I do something about it? No. All I can do is switch on the AC, sit in my room, and feel comfortable. So you don't focus on whether someone's listening or not listening. You have a point to say, go and say it. And trust me, my experience has been when you go and give your best, no, somehow in that audience, one person